Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart here at Adam Elementary School in Santa Maria, California. Got to speak to the kindergartners all the way up through the sixth graders today. The main focus was positive life choices and being your best self. And I'm outside here on the side of their building. They have a really cool acronym here because the mascot is the Angels, the Adam Angels, but they have the acronym of HALO, which is have empathy, act respectfully, to lead with love, and to own our actions, right? And as it related to today's message, which is all about thinking more positively, despite some of the negativity that's come our way and what people have told us about our worth and our value, whether we're not good enough or can't do something, that we don't have to believe those lies, that we can always keep our head up and keep trying, even though it might be harder or more difficult for one of us to accomplish something. I even brought in the example of Albert Einstein, and someone that was labeled a pure genius struggled learning growing up. Couldn't read till he was 7, couldn't even speak till he was 4, but he said, it's not that I'm so smart, I just stay with problems longer. And the sign of a true leader is to lead with love. One of the acronym letters here, that the whole idea is that we might be great at math or great at science or great at gym or great at something, and that's great. But the sign of that true leader is to then help someone else out who might not be the best at that, to help them get up to your level, right? To lift them up higher than yourself and make that life choice, that it doesn't just relate to academics of believing our own abilities and our own worth, but it also relates to how we treat people too. And part of having this empathy, part of really acting respectfully too and owning our actions, is the understanding that all of us are true miracles. The M etched on all of our palms, right? M for miracle, upside down, W for worthy of love, to give it and receive it. That once we really do know our true value, our true worth, now we can go out and choose to treat people the way that we want to be treated, right? And show that love, make that positive life choice. And that's part of being our best self, doing our best, and knowing that as it relates to acts of kindness or anything in life, that the opposite of success is not failure, but giving up or quitting. That as long as we give the effort, 9 times out of 10, we're going to get the result that we want, but we're only responsible for our effort, that we give 100% all the time. And at the end of the day, we can look ourselves in the mirror and say, hey, I gave it my all. And that's all anybody can ask for us, our teachers, parents, anybody, that as long as they know that we are truly doing our best, pushing ourselves to strive to be the best, that's what we're trying to accomplish here, right? So thanks for touching my heart today. It was a beautiful day. Just know that your mind, your heart don't know the difference. So whatever you tell it, make sure it's positive. Make sure it's something that's gonna lift us up higher than ourselves, and that we reach out when we need help, and that we always keep this peace that's in our hearts, but we go and continue to be the light to other people's hearts, helping them see that they are worth everything and that they are beautiful people. And to never forget that we always keep our head up, right? Upside down on purpose, a reminder if we look down or feel down to keep our head up. You guys are beautiful, you guys touch my heart. Hope to be back again soon. Until then, keep spreading the love, keep having those halos, touch this whole world, keep changing this world. You guys are beautiful. Much love. Peace.